Hello, I just received my HP Omen laptop. I'll be doing the unboxing. So it's a pretty big box. It's a 17-inch laptop. Got it from Costco. They have a good sale going on this HP Omen 17 laptop, and it's a beautiful laptop. It comes with a uh, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics chip. It's a pretty powerful graphics chip for a laptop computer. Um, and yeah, so I paid $2,000 for this at Costco, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, so it's pretty cool deal. This is the box. It comes with just a small information sheet, some product information. It says important. I'm not sure how important that is. Yeah, look at the packaging. It's pretty nice. It comes with a protective sheet, protective cloth around it. So let's try to open that up. It's got a sticker. So if I open that, wow, that's big. It's big, it's not, but if you see, it's not so ugly like the other 17-inch laptops. This is pretty beautiful actually. It's pretty beautiful. And if I look at the back side of it, it looks more beautiful than the 16-inch Omens that they've been selling. This reminds me of the old Omen 15 laptop that you used to have with a similar back cover or a back panel. And look at the inputs. There is a USB, there's a USB-C, there's HDMI sound connection, SD card connection, there's a power socket. It's got a huge exhaust on the back to handle the heat management. And yeah, this is for the side vent, and from this is where the air intake will happen for the exhaust system. It's pretty cool, looking pretty good. Reminds me of my old 15-inch laptop. That one just had a RTX 3070 chipset, and I even used to even mine at some point with that laptop. It's pretty good, but this one is way more powerful, you know. Um, so yeah, we'll plug it in and try to connect. It comes with a very huge. It's a very huge power adapter. You know, it's a 300 plus volt power adapter. Many people wrote in the comments that it actually looks like it looks like a mini MacBook, or like a mini computer by itself. Yeah, it's pretty big. I have never seen such a big adapter for a laptop computer, but this is a desktop replacement. It's no normal laptop. Comes with a Core i9 processor with multiple cores and threads. It's i9 13900HX processor. It's one of the top 5 most powerful laptop processors at this time. I think the top 6. Yeah. And then the chipset itself, the RTX 4080 that comes with this laptop, it has up to 175 watts of power with HP boost. So that's no less power. So that's, and 175 watts is the maximum that NVIDIA offers for the laptop version of the RTX 4080 chipset. So yeah, it's pretty powerful laptop. Whether you look at the CPU or the GPU, this is a very powerful laptop, and it's actually a desktop replacement that doesn't look ugly like some of the other gaming laptops out there. Yeah. With that, I would stop the review here. We can also start it. Let's start this. Okay, there's no power. Yeah. So thank you for watching my channel. Again, this is one of the most powerful laptops, and it's on sale right now at Costco for $19.99 with 2-year warranty. Comes with one of the most powerful laptop CPUs and with one of the the second most powerful laptop GPUs, the RTX 4080 chipset. Thank you.